Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Wi-Fi on Qatar Airways. First, once you are on board and settled, switch your phone or tablet into flight mode. Then, open your device's Wi-Fi settings and look for the network named Oryx Comms. Select this network to connect, and your device should automatically redirect you to the Wi-Fi portal, ready for the next steps. Once connected to the Oryx Comms network, you will see a variety of Wi-Fi packages available. Some passengers, such as Qatar Airways Privilege Club members or those in certain cabin classes, might receive complimentary access. If you need more data, simply choose a plan that fits your requirements, like a 3-hour pass or a 100-megabyte bundle, and complete the purchase securely through the portal. To ensure a smooth online experience, it is wise to monitor your data usage, which is easily visible on the Oryx Comms portal. Closing background apps on your device can significantly conserve your purchased data and often improve the connection speed. Should your device happen to disconnect at any point, simply open your settings, select Oryx Comms again, and you will typically be reconnected very quickly. To get the most out of your Qatar Airways Wi-Fi, we recommend prioritizing essential communication and light browsing. Activities like sending emails, quick messages, and checking social media often work very well. For heavy entertainment, it is best to download movies or shows to your device before boarding, as streaming can quickly consume data and potentially strain the aircraft's network capacity, ensuring a better experience for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.